So, Sarah, what do you like to do in your free time? This is a question for all of you actually.
I don't know. Play baby dolls, make fun of Democrats, stuff like that.
Like rap for fun, I guess.
Certainly I love to dance to hip-hop. And piercing people's belly buttons. Ha ha ha.
Fun? What is that? Oh. Is fun the yummy dipping sauce? I love to throw it at my neighbors.
Well, I guess you Republicans are more weird than Democrats. And I am a Republican. Stupid Republicans.